If you take a look on the business books from the recent years, probably 60 or even 70% of them, they are focused on engagement, so how to make teams, people engaged. And it's also really important for the IT industry. And you can wonder if there's some kind of silver bullet or some magical formula for engagement, and the answer is yes. So at first we have to think about what engagement is. So engagement is an emotional investment in the company or the project, and that's all. So if we think about engaged people, these are the people who are emotionally invested in what they do. It means that they deliver more, they go the extra mile, and the outcome of their work is much better than the outcome of the people who also work well but are not engaged. So what can we do to engage people? I mentioned that engagement is investment of emotions. So we have to think about what does it mean that this is the investment, and what happens when people invest. So when people invest, they want something in return. And a lot of researchers looked for the answer for this particular question. What is return on investment in terms of engagement? And there is the answer. The answer is, this is the contribution, this is the impact, empowerment. If people invest their emotions, they want to contribute, they want to have impact on the company, on the project, on their job. It's really that simple. If you want to have engaged people within your IT department, you have to allow them to feel that their opinions have impact on what happens within the business environment.